1,330. The total number of valid votes cast, 29,033. The number of ballot papers rejected was as follows. Want of an official mark, 1. Voting for more than one candidate, 28. Writing or mark by which voter could be identified, 1. Being unmarked or void for uncertainty, 163. The total number of rejected ballot papers, 193. The total number of ballot papers verified as returned was 29,226, and the percentage turnout was therefore 40.25%. I hereby declare that Khan Mohammed Afzal is duly elected Member of Parliament for the Manchester Rushall constituency.
Thank you very much for that. Good news.